Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Ameen. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Fee Mariam Saftaran team presents you Arabic language course in a new series. Today we are going to learn this from the book Minhaj al-Arabiyya. Let's see some new words. Let's start. In Arabic, Assalam. Let's repeat. Assalam. In English, peace be. In Urdu, Salamati ho. The next one, Alayka. Let's repeat. Alayka. In English, on or upon you. In Urdu, tum par. The next one, Ila. Let's repeat. Ila. In English, to. In Urdu, taraf. The next one, Inda. Let's repeat. Inda. In English, near. In Urdu, qareeb. The next one, laka. Let's repeat. Laka. In English, your. In Urdu, tumhara. The next one, li. Let's repeat. Li. In English, mine. In Urdu, mera. The next one, mata. Let's repeat. Mata. In English, when. In Urdu, kab. The next one, imtihanuka. Let's repeat. Imtihanuka. In English, your exams. In Urdu, tumhare imtihan. The next one, qareebun. Let's repeat. Qareebun. In English, near. In Urdu, qareeb. The next one, ba'idun. Let's repeat. Ba'idun. In English, far. In Urdu, dur. The next one, walid. Let's repeat. Walid. In English, father. In Urdu, walid. The next one, ha huna. Let's repeat. Ha huna. In English, here. In Urdu, yaha. The next one, lahu. Let's repeat. Lahu. In English, dair. In Urdu, uska. The next one, shughlun. Let's repeat. Shughlun. In English, work. In Urdu, come. Now, a conversation between two boys, Majid and Hamid. Let's start. Assalamu alayka ya Majid. Let's repeat. Assalamu alayka ya Majid. In English, peace be upon you, O Majid. In Urdu, tum par salamati ho, O Majid. The next one, wa alaykum assalamu ya Hamid. Let's repeat. Wa alaykum assalamu ya Hamid. In English, and peace be on you, O Hamid. In Urdu, और तुम पर भी सलामती हो ओ हमीद. The next one, min aina. In English, where from. In Urdu, कहाँ से. Min aina anta. Let's repeat. Min aina anta. In English, from where are you. In Urdu, तुम कहाँ से हो. The next one, ana minal madrasati. Let's repeat. Ana minal madrasati. In English, I am from madrasa. In Urdu, मैं मदरसे से हूँ. The next one, ila aina. Let's repeat. Ila aina. In English, to where. In Urdu, कहाँ की तरफ. The next one, ila al-bayti. Let's repeat. Ila al-bayti. In English, to my house. In Urdu, मेरे घर की तरफ. The next one, ma indaka. Let's repeat. Ma indaka. In English, what is near or with you. In Urdu, तुम्हारे पास क्या है. The next one, indi kitabun. Let's repeat. Indi kitabun. In English, near or with me is a book. In Urdu, मेरे पास किताब है. The next one, azalikal kitabu laka. Let's repeat. Azalikal kitabu laka. In English, is that book yours? In Urdu, क्या वो किताब तुम्हारी है? The next one, नअम ज़ालिकल किताबु ली. Let's repeat, नअम ज़ालिकल किताबु ली. In English, yes, that book is mine. In Urdu, हाँ वो मेरी किताब है. The next one, मता इम्तिहानुका. Let's repeat, मता इम्तिहानुका. In English, when are your exams? In Urdu, तुम्हारे इम्तिहान कब है? The next one, अहुआ करीबुन. Let's repeat, अहुआ करीबुन. In English, are they near? In Urdu, क्या वो करीब है? The next one, ला इम्तिहानी बईदुन जिद्दन. Let's repeat, ला इम्तिहानी बईदुन जिद्दन. In English, no, my exams are very far. In Urdu, नहीं, मेरे इम्तिहान बहुत दूर हैं. The next one, वालिदका हाँ हुना फ़ी हैदराबादी. Let's repeat, वालिदका हाँ हुना फ़ी हैदराबादी. In English, is your father here in Hyderabad? In Urdu, क्या तुम्हारे वालिद यहाँ हैं हैदराबाद में? The next one, ला हुआ फ़ी बम्बई व हुनका लहू शुग़ुलन. Let's repeat, ला हुआ फ़ी बम्बई व हुनका लहू शुग़ुलन. In English, no, he is in Bombay and he works there. In Urdu, नहीं, वो बॉम्बे में है और वहाँ वो काम करते हैं. The next one, मा शुग़लका. Let's repeat, मा शुग़लका. In English, what is your work or occupation? In Urdu, तुम्हारा क्या काम है? The next one, أنا طالب علمي. Let's repeat, أنا طالب علمي. In English, I am a seeker of knowledge or student. In Urdu, मैं तालिब इल्म हूँ. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our lesson today. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.